the tropics really getting active throughout the area. Take a look at this. About Bermuda here, we have tropical depression number 8, which could be Henri if it continues to strengthen, but it is forecast to kind of meander around here. Grace, very unorganized, down to a tropical depression right now, but it is forecast to strengthen just south of Cuba and continue into the Gulf and head over toward Mexico. But Fred is what we're keeping an eye on because it's the closest to us right now. Here is the latest from the Hurricane Center. You see the winds up to, and the sustained winds up to about 50 miles per hour around the center of circulation as it continues to push to the north at about 9 miles per hour. 160 miles just south of Panama City will make landfall close there by tonight and then continue to push further off to the north. Now it will weaken significantly once it makes landfall. So as it tracks toward us, it will lose a lot of its characteristics, but hold on to that heavy moisture. And so it will bring in a lot of rain to our area by tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon. If you look at the timing of this, by 3 o'clock, this is by 3:30, stopped it here. You can see where that heavy rain is starting to impact some of our westernmost counties as that continues to push further off to the north. That yellow in there indicates as much as about 5 inches of rainfall. So we'll say generally speaking throughout North Georgia, you're looking at 2 to 5 inches of rain, which is prompting a flash flood watch, which means we're watching for the potential for flooding in our forecast area. You see all the highlighted counties here. This watch will last tonight or take effect tonight and will last through Wednesday morning. 2 to 5 inches of rainfall with some localized heavier amounts possible. Winds, not so much a factor once the storm gets a little bit further to the north. This is the probability of 30 mile per hour winds, sustained winds, and you can see we're on the low end of this, about a 10 to 15% chance for that. So it's the gusts that will get us at times. And so we'll see those wind gusts anywhere between 20 and 30 miles per hour. But really the rain is going to be the major impact from this. The timing is on Tuesday, 2 to 5 inches of rainfall. And we can't rule out some severe weather as well. A couple severe thunderstorms could be circulating around that center of circulation as it continues to push through. For this afternoon, scattered showers, thunderstorms certainly possible. Not everyone gets wet. We'll give it a 40 to 50% chance. But then here comes that heavy rain. By tomorrow morning, we'll be looking at light rain to start, some moderate pockets, and then during the afternoon, that heavy rain begins to push further to the north, especially for our westernmost counties. We say Atlanta westward, we'll be getting in on some of that heavy rain. Few embedded thunderstorms are possible. Continues to pull off to the north as we head into the evening. So by Tuesday evening, things will begin to settle down. But because of the tropical air mass over us, we're going to relieve the thunderstorms in the forecast for the rest of the week with temperatures in the 80s.